Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Subaru WRX STI. For 2018 they did a mild front end refresh, got the Brembo brakes with the acid green-esque brake calipers. Another great feature was the Recaros added in. This is all courtesy of Granite Subaru in Hudson, New Hampshire. Great sound from that Boxer 4. Go ahead and show you the back seat space. Nice Alcantara door lining. Great red seat belts, matches the red leather. Oh. Very nice interior. I love the touch screen. These are all touch sensitive buttons, they don't actually go in. Steering wheel, nice flat bottom design. Nice bolsters down around the 9 and 3 grip. The clutch does take some getting used to, but once you're used to it, you should be fine. Another thing to note for this video is it is currently 42 degrees out. This car is on summer tires and it is wet outside. So I'm not going to be pushing this car all that much, and plus it is a dealership's car. So take that with a grain of salt. The shifter is a nice short throw, very notchy feeling, very rewarding to drive. Special thanks to Gary Smith at Granite Subaru for allowing me to come out and film this car. Love these Recaro seats with STI embroidered in the headrests. You do have different drive modes. You control that all down through here. Push for intelligent, which limits throttle response. To the right for sport. Oh, I'm sorry, to the left for sport. To the right for sport plus. You can also configure the center differential. Steering is so good in this car. Nice weight to it, and you can tell what the front wheels are doing. I can definitely tell, even though I haven't driven the WRX in about 2 years, this is a lot more special than the WRX. There's something different. The engine, the unequal length headers. I mean, it's a totally different engine. The STI maintained the older block, and the WRX went to a new block. So it's a whole different engine. Good amount of torque down low. It really comes alive about 3,000 and starts to die off around 5.5 to 6,000. These seats are awesome. They're so comfortable, and they're a lot better than the Recaros that were featured in the Focus ST. I love the knick-knack feel of the shifter. I mean, awesome feel to it. Yes, you might see in the video I'm bucking it a bit. Yes, I know. That's probably due to the clutch delay valve that's in my Challenger, compared to this where it's a traditional clutch that actually releases when you release the pedal. If you can't tell, that's one of my gripes about the Challenger, then you're not very good at sarcasm. But like I said, this car, it might take you a minute to get used to it. I've only driven it for probably about 20 minutes, so that's where me bucking it a little bit. I'll admit to it, that's probably mostly driver error. Okay, it might be all driver error, but these brakes are amazing. They're not super touchy. I mean, I'm gonna take that with a grain of salt because I drive a car with touchy brakes, so I might be used to it. But they're not crazy touchy, and the harder you go on the pedal has such a great weight to it. I just noticed that. I love this red accent lighting here where my hand is. Looks like the boost gauge itself is a bit redesigned for 2018. It is different than the 2016 WRX that's featured on the channel. You have great red accent stitching throughout the wheel, up here on the dash. Really nice interior. It doesn't really feel too econo car, because with this generation WRX, they separated it. It was no longer the Impreza WRX. So it was separated from the Impreza while still featuring the basic Impreza interior. Very easy to rev match. Pedals are nicely placed for heel toe. Jeez, it's a good angle on that driveway if the Corolla scraped. Great visibility. The A-pillar is nice and little. Alright, I'm getting close to the dealership now, so I'll go ahead and wrap up the video. Overall, really good car. Very, very good car. I definitely think it's worth the money over the WRX. And plus, if I personally bought a WRX, I'd constantly be thinking, should have bought the STI. I did that with the ST. I wish I bought a Focus RS instead. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for future content with Granite Subaru. They have a great inventory at all times. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, and hope you enjoy the video.